Imagine hiring employees who never sleep or ask for raises. That shift already started quietly across American businesses. These workers are called AI agents. They act, decide, and execute without constant human input. Not chatbots, not simple automation, something more autonomous. Why are companies replacing tasks with agents right now? How do AI agents actually work behind the scenes? And who stands to make the most money from them? Most people misunderstand this change completely. The surprise is how normal these agents already feel. They read emails, analyze data, and trigger actions. Some already negotiate prices and schedule meetings. Others run ads, manage inventory, or monitor finances. This is not science fiction anymore. It is quietly reshaping white-collar work. The biggest shift is speed, not intelligence. AI agents move faster than human teams. They also scale instantly without training cycles. That changes business math overnight. The first adopters gain huge advantages. The late adopters feel sudden pressure. Here's the question few ask. Who controls these digital employees? And who profits from deploying them early? Stay with me, because one insight near the end reframes everything. Before we go deeper, consider how work gets done today. Humans switch between apps all day. Emails, spreadsheets, dashboards, and meetings dominate time. AI agents remove those handoffs. They connect tools and act automatically. At the core, an AI agent has 4 parts: a goal, memory, tools, and decision logic. The goal defines what success looks like. Memory stores context from past actions. Tools allow actions in real software. Decision logic chooses the next step. Large language models power the reasoning. Models from OpenAI are commonly used. ChatGPT popularized the interface everyone recognized. Agents go beyond chatting. They plan, execute, and adjust. Think of them as junior operators. They follow instructions with flexibility. AutoGPT showed early potential publicly. It chained tasks together automatically. That experiment triggered massive interest. Businesses saw labor costs differently overnight. Soon frameworks like LangChain appeared. These frameworks connect models to tools. Tools include calendars, CRMs, and databases. Zapier made integration accessible for non-coders. Agents could now trigger workflows everywhere. Slack messages could launch multi-step processes. Notion pages could update automatically. Salesforce records could change without human entry. This reduced operational friction dramatically. Small teams started operating like large enterprises. That leveled the competitive playing field. US startups adopted agents first. Large corporations followed quietly. Customer support was an early use case. Agents triaged tickets instantly. They escalated only complex issues. Sales teams used agents for lead scoring. Prospects were ranked in real time. Marketing teams deployed ad testing agents. Budgets shifted automatically toward winners. Finance teams used agents for expense monitoring. Anomalies were flagged immediately. None of this required breaks or overtime. The real value is consistency. Agents never forget instructions. They never lose focus. Errors become predictable and fixable. That reliability attracts executives. Now consider cost implications. One agent can replace multiple repetitive roles. Not entire jobs, but tasks within them. Humans shift toward oversight and strategy. This hybrid model works best today. Companies that resist struggle with margins. Early adopters reinvest savings into growth. That compounds advantages year after year. This is where opportunity appears. Building agents becomes a valuable skill. Managing agents becomes a new role. Selling agent services becomes a business. Consultants already package custom agents. Agencies deploy agents for clients monthly. Solo founders leverage agents for leverage. One person can run multiple projects. That was impossible before. The barrier to entry keeps dropping. No-code tools accelerate adoption. Pictory AI helps turn scripts into videos. Content agents handle research and summaries. Scheduling agents manage publishing calendars. Analytics agents track performance automatically. This stack creates media businesses fast. E-commerce brands use pricing agents. Prices adjust based on demand signals. Inventory agents predict restocking needs. Logistics agents monitor shipping delays. These efficiencies increase profit margins. Most consumers never notice the change. They just experience faster service. That makes agents politically invisible. Regulation usually follows later. For now, innovation moves quickly. The biggest misconception is full autonomy. Agents still need boundaries. Human oversight remains essential. Poorly designed agents cause chaos. Clear goals prevent failures. Good prompts act like job descriptions. Memory management affects performance heavily. Tool access must be carefully scoped. Security matters more than hype. Enterprises invest heavily here. Small businesses should too. This is not optional long-term. The labor market will rebalance. New roles replace old routines. Agent supervisors become common. Prompt engineers evolve into system designers. This channel tracks those shifts weekly. If this breakdown helps, follow along and enable alerts. Back to the technical side. Agents learn from feedback loops. Reinforcement improves decisions over time. Logs reveal patterns humans miss. Data quality determines outcomes. Garbage inputs still produce garbage outputs. Smart companies start small. They pilot agents in low-risk areas. Success expands adoption organically. Failure teaches boundaries quickly. Cloud platforms host most agents. Costs scale with usage. This encourages efficiency. Open source agents reduce expenses. Proprietary agents offer support. The choice depends on risk tolerance. US compliance requirements matter. Data privacy laws shape design. HIPAA and society standards apply. Ignoring them creates liability. This is where professionals win. Amateur setups break under scrutiny. Businesses pay for reliability. That creates service opportunities. Training teams on agents pays well. Maintaining agents becomes recurring revenue. Monitoring performance adds value. Documentation becomes essential. Ironically, agents help write documentation. This recursive advantage accelerates progress. The ecosystem grows monthly. New tools appear constantly. Most will disappear quickly. Core platforms will survive. OpenAI remains central currently. Integration layers differentiate competitors. UX becomes the battlefield. Simple control beats complex dashboards. Decision visibility builds trust. Executives demand explanations. Explainable agents gain adoption. Black box systems face resistance. Transparency sells in America. Education around agents lags adoption. That gap creates content opportunities. Creators who explain clearly win audiences. Businesses who teach clients build loyalty. You are early if you are watching this. Not early like insiders, but early enough. The next wave focuses on coordination. Multiple agents working together. Swarms handling complex operations. Human managers set direction only. This mirrors real organizations. Digital org charts emerge. Performance metrics evolve. Compensation becomes compute-based. Budgeting shifts toward tokens. CFOs now ask technical questions. This changes leadership skill sets. Technical literacy becomes executive currency. Those who adapt thrive. Those who ignore struggle. The pace will not slow. Competitive pressure ensures adoption. AI agents are digital employees. They extend human capability. They do not replace human judgment. Used wisely, they unlock growth. Used poorly, they amplify mistakes. The difference is design and responsibility. Remember this perspective going forward. Tools mentioned here are listed in the description. Use them as references, not shortcuts. Learning fundamentals matters more. The future favors builders. Builders who understand systems. Builders who respect constraints. Builders who iterate patiently. This channel focuses on that edge. Each week covers practical shifts. No noise, just signal. If you want to stay ahead, subscribe now. Turn on notifications to catch new drops. Missing one update can cost insight, especially in fast-moving spaces. AI agents will mature quickly. Interfaces will simplify further. Adoption will accelerate silently. The winners will look obvious later. They rarely look obvious early. Pay attention to boring deployments. That is where value hides. The next video explores agent businesses. Real models making real revenue. No speculation, just mechanics. Understanding that changes decisions. Decisions compound over time. Time favors the informed. Information favors the curious. Curiosity led you here. Let it guide your next step. Build something small this week. Observe results honestly. Adjust and repeat. That loop beats perfection. AI agents reward iteration. They improve with feedback. So do humans. The line between them blurs. Collaboration defines the future, not replacement. This shift is already underway. You can ignore it briefly, or engage with it intentionally. One choice builds leverage. The other builds stress. Choose deliberately. Stay curious. Stay practical. Stay subscribed for weekly insights. The next advantage arrives sooner than expected.